Fine, this is problem number 10. Fine. Okay, let us check out. Vicky brought a bicycle for 3000 rupees and sold it for rupees 2700. What was his loss or gain percent? Right, it is a profit loss problem, right? Profit and loss problem. Let us check out. So Vicky bought a bicycle for 3000, that is cost price they have given. Cost price is equal to how much? That is 3000, right? And sold it for 2700, that is selling price is equal to 2700. What was this loss or gain percent? Let us check out. Now here in this particular case, selling price is less than cost price, that's what we are going to incur a loss. So let us find the loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price is 3000, right, minus selling price is 2700, so we are going to get 300. This is what the loss is. Now what we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find the loss percent. The loss percent is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100, right? So loss is 300, cost price is 3000, that into 100. Now simplify it. These two zeros, this and this will be cancelled. 3 ones are 3 tens are. So total Vicky incurred a loss of 10%, that is 10% loss. This is the answer.